Have you ever wondered why the Oceanis 38.1 is one of the most popular models in the world today? The Beneteau Oceanis 38.1 was one of the most successful models ever built, with over 800 hulls built by Beneteau. The twin rudder configuration was a key part of making this sailboat easy to handle shorthanded, while maintaining good sailing characteristics. There are a few things that separate this 38.1 from the other boats on the market today. During this walkthrough, we're going to take you through each one. Make sure you stay until the end, and you'll understand exactly why this boat is a must-see. This is a 2019 Oceanis 38.1 with a shoal keel that's been privately owned and lightly used here on the Chesapeake Bay. It features 2 cabins and 1 head with a separate shower. If you're looking for a comfortable cruiser that's been thoughtfully upgraded with real extended cruising in mind, Fine-Tuned may be the sailboat you've been waiting to see. Let's start at the bow, where the anchor roller assembly has been upgraded to a double to allow more flexibility with head sail configurations and with anchoring. The sail plan is where this boat diverges most visibly from the standard 38.1. Rather than typical roller furling mainsail, this boat carries a slab reef main. It gives you a cleaner sail shape and more control when conditions change, which on a coastal cruiser means you're spending less time managing the boat and more time enjoying the passage. That's paired with a custom Ullman asymmetrical spinnaker and low-stretch running rigging throughout, a custom stack pack, and a trolley system that are recent additions that make sail handling and dowsing noticeably cleaner than the stock setup. The deck layout's uncluttered, as you'll find on most modern Beneteau models. Halyards, reefing lines, vang, and mainsheet are all led back to the cabin top. The mainsail arch helps keep the cockpit area clear for seating and moving about. The twin helm configuration gives you good sight lines and opens a wide path to the transom. The port helm is fitted with B&G electronics plus your chain counter. The B&G electronics are current with an AIS transceiver for added safety when navigating any waters. Factory sensors have been upgraded for more accurate depth, speed, and temperature data. The Navionics subscription is active and transfers with the boat. Safety features on deck include an easy reboard ladder and your life sling. You've got a dedicated storage area for the life raft in the transom. And in this 2-cabin layout, check out this massive storage area on the starboard side. You could practically fit a workshop in there. The Edson outboard bracket on your port stern is a small but useful detail for anyone spending real time at anchor. Let's go below into the air-conditioned salon, galley, and other accommodations where Fine-Tune really shines. The double doors to the forward cabin open up the interior considerably and can be removed if that's your preference. With the doors open, your sightline travels the full length of the hull, and the boat reads as significantly larger than 38 feet. The head features a dedicated shower stall, and you've got a guest cabin to port. The L-shaped galley keeps the cook out of the main walkway and frees up the full starboard side for a proper lounging area. It's a layout that works well for 2 people living aboard for a week or more. The galley is well equipped for a boat of her size, with adequate storage, appliances, and refrigeration. You've got a microwave, 2-burner stove with gas oven, and a top-loading freezer compartment. The upgrade that'll matter most on a long passage that you won't see immediately is the professionally installed second freshwater tank that will bring the water capacity up to 112 gallons. For a couple doing a week of coastal cruising, that changes how you plan entirely. Fewer marina stops and more flexibility where you go. Below the companionway, the Yanmar 30 horsepower diesel has a sail drive and a 3-bladed feathering prop that has low hours and will have a fresh oil change before closing. Fine-Tuned draws 5 feet 5 inches, and her mast height of 55 feet 5 inches is ICW friendly. Her twin rudder setup has become a signature feature of the modern Oceanis line and is essential for handling these beamier hulls effectively. And since we're talking about the hull, the bottom was painted last spring with Petit Trinidad Pro anti-fouling and should get you another season, maybe 2. This Beneteau Oceanis 38.1 is a well-regarded cruising platform, and Fine-Tuned has been thoughtfully upgraded with a clear focus on extended usability, superior sail handling, and modern electronics. If you're looking for a coastal cruiser that's genuinely ready to sail away, schedule your showing today. I'm Brett Shoemaker with Current Yachts, and I'll see you aboard Fine-Tuned. Fair winds.